LinkedIn reach outs. LinkedIn reach outs. I started a campaign on Friday. I had a response that same day within like 10 outreaches. But it's really, I want to say, here's what the pattern is for LinkedIn. You start with a platform. You send out connection requests. Connection requests. If you have a good profile, you should be hitting a 25 to 30% connection ratio, meaning out of those 100 you send out, 25 to 30 should connect. Then you should go look at their posts, like a post, wait a week, then send, or you actually, no, right away you send a thank you and then like a post, give it a week, then reach out with, hey, this is why I reached out. If you're ever looking, and just give them an honest, hey, I'd love to get your feedback. Just, have a conversation. That to me is my approach for LinkedIn. If you want to automate that, you can automate that with like a first message, second message, all that stuff as well. But LinkedIn, I find once you connect, you have a golden opportunity to pitch your user your product, right? They connect with you, they saw what you do, they still connected with you, they know what you do. You can say, hey, this is what I do. I'd love for you to take a look at something, or I'd love for you know what I mean? Like, I think that's a very powerful way to get in front of your actual users.